Huh? What's that sound? Oh yeah, it is the sound of snoring. Oh, you see a clue? Where? Oh, there is a clue right here on this. Snoring. Okay, you know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Right. So, our last clue is snoring. Okay, it stopped. Good. Well, we can't really draw this sound, so maybe we could just draw some curved lines to make the sound. Hey, we have all 3 clues to figure out what Blue. We have all 3 clues to figure out what Blue wants me to remember about Hershey. You know what that means? We're ready to sit in our thinking chair. Let's go.